All right, how you doing? I am just creating a little video to help you with the current Delta Math that's due on Thursday. So their help video is very nice, but it does show you how to do it with a TI-84 calculator. So if you have a TI-84 calculator, that's great. Then use it and it's perfect. And if you don't, you can still watch it, but I want to show you how to use the Desmos calculator, excuse me. So it was Desmos. You can see the link right here, DESMOS. There's a link in the Google Classroom. So I'm going to do the first question that you have assigned. So you do negative x, and if you want to do squared, you can come down here to the little keyboard type thing that it shows, and it gives you this. So you can just put a squared like that, plus 6x minus 5. So this is the first one that I gave you, that I assigned you. This is the actual question. Okay, and what you need to do is you need to plot at least 5 points. Okay, you must plot 5 points, including the roots and the vertex. So the roots, as you recall, are where it hits the x-axis, and the vertex is that line of symmetry point, the point where all other points kind of blossom out of. Okay, so this is the thing, but the problem is you actually need points. So with this graphing calculator, it goes down like this. If you have the app that I also asked you, if you have a phone, might be easier to use the app. It's just like the TI-84 calculator, so you can just use the Delta Math video. But here, sorry, I'm just gonna hit, okay. Let's start this over. Negative x squared. If I thought anyone would use it, or is actually going to watch, I might restart, but plus minus 5. Okay, so we need points. We need 5 points. So edit list, we go here, and what we do is you can just convert to table, and this gives you points. Okay, it'll just allows you to see certain ones. And you can, I believe you can change the values that you use. Let's see. So I can edit the, say I want negative 5. I can pick the points that I want. So on the graph, you can kind of see where it's hitting the x-axis. So you can say, oh, okay, that looks like 2. And then actually it looks like 1. Okay, and this point over here looks like 5. All right, so, and then you can do the in-betweens. It's not as easy as a calculator, but it gives you all the points that you need. So you can see that it's giving you 3, 4 as the vertex. So you come over here, do 3, 4. And then the other points that they give you are 2, 3, 4, 3 are these symmetric points here. So these are them. And then the roots are here. So the moment you put 5 down, it plots, it graphs it for you. It actually draws it. And then you just submit the answer and you'll get it right. Okay, so this is also showing you how you could plug it in individually, but using a calculator is a lot easier. All right, have a good one.